So if you're working with this fraction, then you set up your box. Does it really matter where I put my fractions, on the top or the side?
Yes.
No.
No, it really, whichever one works better, you can do. Yesterday when we were working, we were always putting this one on the top, 3 2/5, times 2 1/2. To do this, the first thing you do with this square is you look at the number above it and the number beside it. What math problem is there, Derek?
Multiplying.
Multiplying of what?
3 times 2.
3 times 2. So 3 times 2, so this box would give me a 6, correct?
Yes.
Over here with this box, what multiplication problem is there, Kathy? 2 times 2/5. But it feels very weird with that just being a 2, so how can I set it up so that it works better with multiplying fractions? Sandra. Put it over top of a 1. So, then if I multiply across, what do I get? Troy?
You get
4/5. Okay. Down here with this one, I'm multiplying what, Troy?
1/2 times 3.
1/2 times 3. Ooh, but I don't like it just as a 3, so what do I need to do, Naya?
Put the denominator as 1.
Put the denominator as 1. So when I multiply that out, what do I get? Major?
3/2.
3/2. Is there another way that I could say 3/2 instead of putting 3/2? Adam?
1 1/2.
1 1/2.
Why?
Okay, they're equivalent.
Oh, it's a proper. Oh.
Okay. What's my last math problem? Why? 2/5 times 1/2. Okay? What would the answer be, David? 2/5 times 1/2. Carolina? Karen? 2/10.
Yep.
Okay? Then the last step that I need to do is put all of this stuff together. So we're going to add it all up.
Okay.
6 plus 4/5. And I can either add with it the 3/2 or I can add 1 1/2 because they're exactly the same. I'm actually going to add 1 1/2 when I do it.
Rico.
Then I'm going to add the 2/10. What would be a common denominator that would be good to use for this? Andy. I'm sorry?
What?
What would be a good common denominator to use for this? I'm sorry. So this one stays the same. This was times 5, so I've got to do the same thing up here.
5
This was times 2, so I've got to do the same thing up here.
8.
Okay. Then I basically now have 6 plus a whole plus 8/10 plus 5/10 plus 2/10. If I add together my fractional parts, 8/10 plus 5/10 plus 2/10, what does that give me?
I know this one.
Kirsten?
Dang it.
6/10. Or
What would this be?
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to.
30.
Oh.
Or
Major minor.
15/10. Fantastic. But 15/10, that doesn't seem quite right to me. What's wrong with it, Kenneth? It's improper. What's another name for it?
The next number.
What else could you call this? To get it so it's not improper. Okay, what would be the mixed number? 1 and 5/10. But I could still simplify 1 and 5/10 down to Enrico?
8 and 1/2.
You're doing up the steps, so you said 6, 7, 8, and that would reduce down to a half, so it'd be 8 1/2.
Good job.
Okay.
Nice, Enrico. Good finish it.